Solana price prediction. $3 billion in token rewards could vanish. Is this what sends SOL to $500? Altcoins. Cryptocurrency. SOL. Solana. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Author. Ahmed Balaha. Author. Ahmed Balaha. About author. Ahmed has been in the crypto scene since 2018, deep diving into early-stage projects and spotting trends before they blow up. Specializing in market sentiment and trading strategies, he's been author profile, share, copied, add disclosure, add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated 3 minutes ago. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. A Solana developer just proposed a pretty major change, cutting the time it takes for Solana to reach its 1.5% terminal inflation from more than 6 years down to just 3. If this proposal goes through at current prices, it would stop almost $3 billion worth of new SOL from ever being created. The proposal, called SIMD 0411, was posted on GitHub on November 21st. It suggests doubling the rate at which staking rewards decline, from 15% per year to 30%. Nothing new gets added to the system, and no structural changes are made. It simply speeds up the existing disinflation schedule. By accelerating the decline, Solana would reach its long-term inflation target of 1.5% much earlier. The original estimate was around 2032. The new timeline would bring that target forward to early 2029. Solana would issue roughly 22.3 million fewer SOL over the next 6 years. Less new SOL hitting the market means less selling pressure from staking rewards, which has been one of the factors weighing on the token's price. Why could this proposal get rejected? Well, it sounds perfect on paper. Just approve it and watch the price pump, right? Wrong. There is a huge trade-off here. Lower inflation also means staking rewards will drop much faster. Under this proposal, today's roughly 5% yields would fall toward about 2.4% within the next 3 years. That hits validator economics directly, since many validators rely on staking rewards to cover their operating costs. If rewards shrink too quickly, smaller validators might be forced to shut down or raise fees, which would concentrate power among larger operators. Fewer validators means more risk of censorship, coordinated failures, or outages, and it weakens trust in Solana's decentralization, which is one of the main things that gives the network security and credibility. However, not all validators rely solely on staking rewards. Some subsidize operations for branding or ecosystem presence, while others earn through delegation fees, so the impact won't hit the network evenly. The proposal has a real chance of passing, but it ultimately depends on whether major validators and liquid staking providers support it. They stand to lose the most revenue, so if they push back, it is likely to fail. If they accept the trade-off of a healthier long-term validator ecosystem, it will probably move forward. Solana price prediction. Is this proposal what sends SOL to $500? Bitwise just pulled in a massive $39.5 million into its SOL ETF, the biggest inflow it has seen since launch. With that boost, Solana ETFs have now hit 20 straight days of inflows, which is pretty interesting considering how shaky the market has been. In total, ETFs brought in about $58 million on November 24th alone. Solana has a pretty solid support zone forming around $124 to $127. That area is now the main safety net, so if SOL drops back under 130, it will probably settle and accumulate there again. SOL bulls are mainly watching for a clean breakout above 140 with real volume behind it. If that happens and the ETF momentum keeps pushing, a move back toward 160 becomes possible. It is still early, but the RSI is starting to pick up, and trading volume jumped 20% to 5.19 billion in the last day, which is a good sign for momentum. Bitcoin Hyper, the first layer 2 built on Bitcoin, might outperform Solana next. While Solana is busy arguing over inflation cuts, validator rewards, and whether the proposal will help or hurt the network long-term, Bitcoin Hyper is one of the few projects actually gaining momentum without any major controversy attached to it. Bitcoin Hyper is building a fast Bitcoin Layer 2 using the Solana virtual machine, giving it the speed and low fees traders want while still settling back to Bitcoin for security. That mix is exactly what people look for when the market turns cautious. You get performance without trusting a single chain upgrade or validator vote. Investors seem to agree. Bitcoin Hyper has already raised $28.4 million in its presale, which is impressive in a market where most projects are struggling to pull in attention. The staking rewards are sitting at a strong 73% APY, giving holders a real incentive to stay in early. Visit the official website here. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. Crypto Market Prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders ahead of Monad crypto launch. Expert warns of worst-case scenario XRP price prediction. Confidence fades as whales offload 250M XRP key levels to watch Bitcoin price prediction. Smart money buying spot? What the $80,500 support level signals for Q1. Price analysis. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana, Cardano by the end of 2025. 16 hours ago. By Tim Hackey. Price analysis. Google's Gemini AI predicts shocking prices for XRP, Picoin, Ethereum as crypto prices crash. 3 days ago. By Tim Hackey. Bitcoin News. Why is crypto up today? November 24, 2025. 1 day ago. By Seed Fadil Pazik. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 1 day ago. By Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in November 2025. 14 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 9 minutes ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 6 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 17, 2025. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 13 hours ago. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 4, 2025. By Ben Beto.